Alright, what's up guys? So I got a little tutorial I guess on how to do these Terra screen cover clips. I was trying to figure out how to use them. These are the large ones and that's why I had an issue. So if you want it to fit well, just get the right size. But I have a 20-gallon right here and I couldn't figure out how it clipped on here, and this thing just kind of slides off, right? But I couldn't figure out, come over here real quick. Couldn't figure out how this thing goes, if it goes like this or like that. Honestly, I had a trouble getting it in here, and it would go pretty cool, but it wouldn't really lock, like of course, right? This one honestly is a little bit better, but it was a little looser on some of the other ones. But really all you have to do is just bend it a bit so that it does grab it nice, and then it will get in here, and the flat side has to be the one that's flush with the glass under here, and then it'll allow for that pressure when you put it up, not bend it too much, to kind of snap into place and grab it how it's supposed to be. It's kind of hard to get it up here though, so maybe you just want to fix it or bend it how the tension that you want and need. For this one, since this lid does slide just back and forth, I only used one back there, and this is pretty good. But coming over here on this other tank, this is a 40-gallon tank, and I don't need to bend it on these either. And honestly, I don't know how I had so much trouble last night trying to figure it out, when same concept, you just put the flat side that's on here, not the one that's bent at a more higher angle. You just clip it in here and it just, slides in pretty good, and you clip it all the way if you want, but it was kind of hard for me to get it up once it was in there. So either bend it back a bit loose or just leave it on top of here. It's not gonna go anywhere, it's pretty tight. But yeah, that's just a quick little tutorial on how to get these clips on here. Like and share and do what you gotta do. I don't know what it is, my first video, so good luck guys.